Welcome back. Welcome to this first video in which I'm going to tell you what are the prerequisites that you need to keep ready before we get going with the designing of the social media posts. Okay. So, the very first thing that you need to do is create a folder on your desktop. Okay. So, like here, I'm going to right click and then click on new folder and create a new folder. I'm going to name it as photographs. Okay. So once you've created this folder on your desktop, get into that folder. Okay. And again, inside that folder, you have to create 12 different folders and name each folder as the name of the month. Okay. So I'm going to click on new folder. I'm going to name this as June 2024. Okay. Similarly, I'm going to create 11 more folders and name them after each of the month names. Okay. So I'm going to quickly do that. Okay. So this is how I have created 12 different folders. Okay. Now, the reason I started from June is because I am recording this session in the month of June. Maybe you are watching this session in some other month. Okay. Basically, the idea is to create 12 folders with each for each month. Okay. Now, once you've created these 12 folders, again get into each of these folders. Okay, so I'm going to start from June. Okay, so I'm gone inside June and I'm going to create two more folders here. Okay, so the first folder name is going to be, I'm going to keep it as candid. Okay, candid pictures. Okay, and the second folder that I'm going to create inside the June folder, I'm going to name it as parent testimonial. Okay, you will see why I'm creating these folders. Okay, and so as in when we go step by step, you will know why these folders are being created initially, and why we are putting in so much effort into this. Okay, so once you've created two folders inside the month, I am also going to ask you to create one text file. Okay, as in a one word file. So how you can create that is just right click, go to new. Okay, and click on this Microsoft Word document. Okay, so just like we created a new folder, we are going to create a new Microsoft Word document and just keep it. Okay, so I'm going to click on this and I'm going to just rename it as parent testimonial. Again, the same thing. Okay, so now what I have done is I'll quickly show you. Okay, so I created a folder on my desktop. You can create it in anywhere, like in your D drive or a G drive. I created this folder on the desktop. Inside this, I created 12 different folders, one for each month. Okay, and then inside one of the months, that is June folders, I've created two more folders and one Word document. Okay, now we've created this in June. Okay, so I want to create these three, that is two folders and one Word file in all the months. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select all these three items, copy, control C, and go back to each of the folders and just paste them. Okay, so August, then I'm going to paste it in December. So make sure that you are pasting these three in each of the month folders. Okay. Okay. So just quickly, let me give you a recap. Okay. What I have done is I have first created a folder on my desktop with the name. I have named that folder as photographs. Okay. Then inside that folder, I have created 12 different folders with the name of each month. Okay. So right from Jan, Feb, March till December. And again, inside each of these folders, I have created three items, which is two folders. One with the name of candid pictures, second with which has the name of parent testimonial, and third I have created a Word file. Okay, how I created this is I right clicked, went to new, and clicked on Word, Microsoft Word document, and I renamed that document as parent testimonial. Okay, so very simple. Okay, I want you also to do the same, so that when we actually start designing the social media post, the media that is needed is very handy. Okay, and please understand why I'm telling you to do this prior to I mean, before we start designing the post, is because, as I told you, I'm going to show you how to create these 180 posts within an hour. Okay, so if you want to create these 180 social media posts for your preschool within an hour's time, these are some requirements that you'll have to keep ready. Okay, so once you've created these folders, now the important part, inside the folders, okay, I want you to pick and choose best candid pictures of kids inside your school. If you don't have these pictures, you rather get them clicked. Okay, but in order to create these 180 posts, we will require at least 10 to 12 pictures, candid pictures, that you need to copy paste in each of these folders. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, in June, in the month of June, and inside the folder candid pictures, I want you to simply select or select and copy 10 to 12 candid children pictures inside each month. Okay, so 10 photos in June, 10 photos in March, May, all these months. So you would require at least 120 to 130 pictures, candid pictures of children. Okay, I'm not saying you get them clicked with a very high professional camera. Okay, no, even nowadays, if you have a smartphone, and if, during the daylight, if you are able to click good pictures of children doing activities in the school, playing around in the play area, so that you have enough data, you have enough media that can be used in the social media post that we are going to design. Okay, so inside parent testimonial folder, I want you to copy one of the parents image. Okay, and in this Word file, okay, I want you to copy paste a testimonial that the parent has given to you. Okay, simple. So what you have to do is, you will have to first make a list of 12 parent testimonials, along with one photograph for each parent testimonial. Okay, simple. So before you get into the third video, I want you to work on this, create these 12 folders, add required data inside these folders. Okay, add parent testimonials in each of these Word documents. So once you've done this, only then move on to the video number 2. So start working on this, create these folders, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.